Do you know how much foreign investors spent on Indian stocks this year? Which sectors were their favorites and why are FIIs important for the Indian markets? I'm Neha Vashisht Mahajan. Let's take a look. As per 2023 data, FIIs spent about 1,45,852 crore rupees on India in 2023. Sectors that saw the highest inflows were number 1, capital goods. Roughly 30% of the inflow, which is around 41,260 crore rupees, went to the capital goods sector. Except for a small selling of 86 crores in Jan, FIIs have been net buyers in capital goods stocks for all the remaining 11 months of the calendar year 2023. Second is financials. Financials was the number 1 favorite of FIIs and saw the highest buying this year. The number stood at 43,911 crore rupees. The third sector was auto sector that saw third highest buying at 28,746 crore rupees. Fourth sector is consumer services. It saw around 16,884 crore rupees worth of inflows. The fifth sector is healthcare sector. Healthcare sector saw inflows worth 11,900 crore rupees. Now, FIIs or foreign institutional investors are quite crucial when it comes to emerging economies such as India. These are big companies such as investment banks, mutual funds, etc. who invest big amounts in countries where they see growth possibilities. FIIs' inflows and outflows have a strong influence when it comes to an economy. They also lead the market trends to move upward or downward. Now, coming back to the data, sectors that saw the highest outflows this year were number 1, IT. IT stocks saw a sell-off worth 10,600 crore rupees due to growth and margin risks for software exporters and the fear of a shallow recession. Number 2, oil and gas. The old economy sector of oil and gas saw outflows of about 26,637 crore rupees. Apart from these, media, metals and chemical stocks were also on the sell list. Now, as per data by MK Global, FIIs were repeatedly overweight in the following sectors. Number 1, financials. Number 2, consumer durables. Number 3, consumer services sectors. And the sectors in which FIIs were underweight this year: number 1, software and services. Number 2, FMCG, and number 3, energy sector. So, should you follow the path of FIIs? BSE Capital Goods Index has rallied nearly 60% against the Sensex 16% rise in the last 1 year. With capex being incurred and capital markets willing to fund good quality growth stories for their expansion, analysts see more potential in capex plays. Well, that is all for today. Stay tuned to ET Markets for more.